Multimodal interaction. Human-computer interactions have greatly changed in the last decade, more so than any other decade before it. Users currently have the option to direct an interface with their voice, sight, and touch or touchless gestures. So part of my thesis design was to look at computers in the workplace. I addressed the monitor portion of the hardware within the overall conceptual product. So this monitor redesign accounts for multimodal interaction, so users can communicate and direct the computer's interface using more than the common mouse. In this portion of the conceptual product, each monitor will contain 3 key features that are integral to allowing users to interact with a computer. These interactions will be addressed with infrared touchscreen, optical recognition, and audio recognition. Now we'll look at touchscreen control. This is Sarah, and this is Sarah's computer. Sarah is going to use touchscreen as she has the option to use touch to control her interface. With the infrared screen, the monitor can detect Sarah's touch, allowing her to interact with the interface using her hands. So instead of the traditional point and click method, Sarah can do this. Using this interface method, Sarah can touch the screen and open the application. So Sarah can access Facebook and other features using touchscreen access. Next, we're going to address audio control. Sarah has the option to use her voice to control the interface with the monitor's microphone and built-in dictation software. Sarah can perform various functions with vocal commands. So if Sarah doesn't want to look up from her phone, or she's overworked and she can't stop typing, she can verbalize the command, for example, open my calendar, and the interface will open her calendar. Next, we'll focus on optical control. Sarah has the option to use her gaze to control the interface. With a built-in infrared camera, the monitor can scan Sarah's eye and detect the eye movement. So when Sarah decides that she wants to start working, and she decides that she wants to switch to optical gaze control, she can voice that with a command. For example, activate gaze control. The interface will adjust its layout so that it looks something like this, allowing the camera to easily track Sarah's gaze and Sarah to easily focus her gaze on those limited applications. Not to mention, Sarah can also use good old-fashioned hardware manual control with a mouse and the keyboard. So let's summarize. The future monitor allows Sarah to control the interface with touch control, audio control, and gaze-focused control, and also hardware device control.